Welcome back to another video from the Mighty Machines. Today we will show you 5 interesting manufacturing and production process you need to see. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to turn on the notification icon. ABB Marine's Azipod propulsion is a gearless steerable propulsion system that allows the electric drive motor to house within a pod outside the ship hull. This propulsion system also replaces the mechanical units in terms of cutting carbon emissions and improving the ship's propulsion power thanks to the amazing motor that it has. It can also rotate up to 360 degrees, which drastically improves the maneuverability and operating efficiency of the vessel. Even when providing high-quality performance, the Azipod units are capable of reducing their fuel consumption up to 20%, unlike those conventional shaft-line systems. 3 decades ago, this was created under the company of ABB Marine. First, they start with the assembly of a 4th-generation motor, then proceed to the next steps. Each process from the design to operation is measured and tested carefully. This has helped them create marine transport with unparalleled performance, efficiency, sustainability, and reliability. The Rolls-Royce has successfully manufactured a high-bypass turbofan, which they call as the TRENT XWB. It is known to be the most common and fuel-efficient Airbus engine in the world. Its mechanism is basically inspired from a massive turbine composed of 20,000 components. With 22 titanium blades, 330 kilonewtons engine, and 2,000 degrees Celsius capacity, it is only reasonable that a single unit from the TRENT XWB costs 30 million euros. Despite the price, this one is worth all the money since Rolls-Royce engineers made it less noisy and 15 times more efficient in terms of fuel consumption. In fact, last July 2006, the TRENT XWB was selected to power exclusively the Airbus A350. In this video, you will see how they assemble or put together this machine. To start off, the workers make sure that the engine is ready and installed in the appropriate shell. This step is carefully and meticulously done, since how the pod shape and propeller act against fluids affect the overall results. The manufacturer isn't only good because of its name, but also because of the state-of-the-art and impressive technology they use. The TRENT XWB has been one of the many machines that benefited from these. Due to its impressive products, HAWART built itself a place in the market as one of the leading manufacturers of the production units for rotor blades. As you can see, this is the inside view of a HAWART equipment when at work. If in case you don't know, the processes involved in HAWART's operations require so much precision and efficiency. Since they use wind blades, they are aware that these have to face lifting forces every time it is put to use. In an attempt to increase or strengthen the durability of each wind blade, workers make sure that the top and bottom blade shells are bonded together around a set of shear webs. This is where accuracy and precision comes in. Each of the blade shells should be bonded correctly. Then the finished webs, usually over 70 meters in length and 2 tons in height, are presented vertically. After that, the sheared web is picked up and positioned so that it is ready for transportation. Once it's all set, the shear webs are put to the molds. Incredible precision is needed in this step to avoid making damaging mistakes. Up next, we have the Universal Roller Bending Machine, also known as the HAEUSLER VRM Roller Bending Machine. This works as a machine that turns large metal sheets into cylindrical shapes. It does that through applying 600 tons of force so that the 30-meter long and 3-meter wide metal sheet can be bent. Its upper and lower hydraulic supports have been proven to determine the diameter of the cylindrical ring. Aside from the mechanisms and how a machine works, one of its most important components are its wheels. During this part, you will be getting to know the MITAS tire production and how they manufacture their famous rubber tires. They start off by heating the rubber compound. Whatever comes out after this step is sent to an extruder machine so that it can turn into a continuous rubber sheet. After that, the sheets need to be cooled so that cutting it to the desired tire length is easier. Once that's done, the coating machine coats both sides of nylon steel and polyester with rubber. Then, the sheets are placed under the tread of the tire. This step is where the bead core of the tire is formed through aligning steel wires with rubber. The purpose of adding in bead wires so that vibrations during driving are prevented. The mixed compound is also used for rubber coating. After all that, the components are sent so that they are neatly assembled using a tire builder drum. The last step involves placing them in a mold and pressing it using a machine too. The manufacturing of an agricultural tire only takes 2 hours, but the testing and quality assurance it goes through are very tough, hence making it very high quality too. That's it for the 5 interesting manufacturing and production process you need to see. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment on this video your thoughts and suggestions. To keep updated with mighty machines, you can also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.